How about this?
Fantastic.
How about this?
Thanks, babe. I've been looking everywhere for this.
So I'm here with Rich and Hannah from Freestyle Games, and they're gonna help me show off the new game, Sing. This is the party mode, right, guys? Now I just touch this to get started. Indeed. Here we go, guys.
Here we are with Creep. Why don't
Hi.
you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Lauren Flax.
I'm Lauren Dillard.
Live shows versus DJ sets, how do they differ?
DJing is just, playing music and stuff, but I mean, our live shows really developed from just her and I on stage.
We accept hate, but it's a minimal part of our life. They preach love, and almost everything they do is hatred.
Feeling better?
What kind of a world do we live in where a man calls an ambulance and the Girl Scouts show up?
We have the paramedics to thank for finding you. Unfortunately for you, we're all out of cookies today. Mr. Woods.
This partnership is singular for DonorsChoose.org because we have never before partnered with an automotive company. Kia is our inaugural partner within the industry.
My name is Kevin, and I'd like to introduce you to CareMore. Join me as we take a sneak peek behind the scenes to learn more about CareMore and the specialized services they provide.
I'm Dr. Sean Bush. I'm an emergency physician and snakebite expert, here to talk to you about treating a patient with a snakebite using Crofab antivenom.
哎，别忘了要给我带好酒啊！
对，多交一些新朋友嘛。
礼赞生命的至高无上玫瑰岗。
It's a gorgeous morning out here today at Supercar Sunday, one of the largest car shows of its kind in Southern California. I'm happy to say that this is the Lamborghini Mark Day.
Porque la quiero de verdad, por eso Mari, por favor.
You know, ever since I've been a lawyer, I imagine myself sitting at my desk, big fat cigar in one hand, 64-year-old scotch in the other.
Run! Yes!
Guy in the next room died last week and left it to me.
Oh, I got you some more.
It's the best weed I've smoked since I left NAM.
Hey, Lines. You're stupid if you don't stay hydrated out here, man.
Thanks. Can I get one of those?
What am I, your fucking mother?
Come on. Please.